Grace Legacy Builders has expanded, and people have been asking me, well, how do we have a men's ministry? Well, it's very simple. You have a men's small group. It revolves around 1 Corinthians 16, 13 to 14. For men to be on their guard, to be competent, to stand firm in the faith, to have conviction of the Word of God, and act like courageous men, and to have courage, also to grow in their moral and physical strength. And we have different books that we recommend for men's group. To be on your guard, the book, What's the Difference? Biblical Manhood and Womanhood. Be on your guard, to be competent in the doctrines of grace, and to look at The Masculine Mandate by Rick Phillips is another book. So stand firm in the faith. We have some books there. R.C. Sproul, A Grace Unknown. Love and Respect. Act Like Courageous Men. Simply Joel Beake's book, Family Worship. And Courageous Living, Dare to Take a Stand by Michael Catt. And you remember the old book, 7 Promises of a Promise Keeper. That's been kind of interesting as well. And then how to grow in moral strength. Men's groups should build each other up in the virtues of the Christian faith. We use the book, The Measure of a Man, a study of leaders and leadership in 1st and 2nd Timothy by Gene Getz, or Hedges, Loving Your Marriage Enough to Protect It, or The Pursuit of Holiness by Jerry Bridges. So if you're looking for a men's group and looking for curriculum, we can help you design that with WAM, Worldwide Area Ministries, here at Grace Legacy Builders. Thank you, blessings and grace.